How to fix Discord font. Today guys, I have the solution how to fix and solve this. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. So first you have to go and open the settings of your phone. After this, go to apps. Here you found all the applications that you have on your phone, so you will search just for Discord. When you found Discord, just open it like this and then go directly to storage. On storage, go to clear data, click OK, and go back and click on force stop and click OK. And the last things is to go to Play Store and updating your Discord again. And that's it guys. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like in and subscribing in our channel, and see you in another videos.